Hello my loves, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. In today's video, I want to introduce you guys to the only camera you will need in 2026 to get fire pictures, and that camera is the Kodak PixPro FZ45. This camera, you guys, I recently got it and it is tea. Like, I'm literally shooketh by the results of this camera. So I wanted to come on here to give you guys more details on the camera, show you guys some samples of videos and pictures that I have taken on this camera, and give you guys all of the details that you need before you make your purchase, because you will be adding to the cart by the end of this video, trust me. So before we get started with today's video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's YouTube channel. I will be posting consistently here on my YouTube channel throughout the year of 2026 and beyond. So make sure you guys subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy, drop a comment down below with your thoughts, comments, questions, opinions. Leave them in the comment section down below after you watch this entire video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I know that everyone is head over heels on the Canon G7X. Don't get me wrong, while that camera is fire, this Kodak PixPro FZ45 is literally a perfect alternative for the Canon G7X. It is not the same. I will go ahead and start off by saying that, but I will say that it is a close runner-up. This right here is the Kodak PixPro FZ45. It retails for $119, and at the time I'm recording this video, it is available on Walmart, Best Buy, and BH Photo. So I will have all three links down below in my description box for your ease of reference and your ease of shopping. It comes in a few different colors. It comes in black, white, pink, burgundy. I have the burgundy, and it is the perfect addition to my camera collection. In case you guys are new here, in case this is the first one of my videos that you guys have stumbled across, I have an entire camera collection, and I've really been working on upping my digital camera realm of my camera collection. So adding this Kodak PixPro FZ45 was the perfect touch. Okay, this is also my first Kodak camera. I know it may come to some of you guys as a shock, but I've really been more of like a Sony and Canon kind of girl. But baby, after trying this camera, I'm definitely interested in adding more Kodak cameras to my camera collection. This camera right here is powered by two AA batteries. So it has this compartment down here which houses the two AA batteries as well as the memory card. When it comes to my Digicam videos, you guys always ask me what memory card that I use. So this is the memory card that I have been using in this camera. It is the SanDisk 128GB, the gold one. Just a little tip for my camera babes. On my Canon G7X, and if you have a Canon G7X, you may have the same trouble as well, but after you take a picture, it usually says busy, and you have to wait until that clears before you can go on and take more photos. So what I have learned is that the memory card that you use in your cameras makes a huge difference on the overall functionality of the camera as well as the quality of your photos. So I either use the gold SanDisk memory card or the black one. So I will have both of them linked down below, but basically I stay away from the gray one because the gray one has the lowest or the slowest processing speed. You want something that has a great processing speed, can hold a lot of footage, and also is going to last you a good amount of time, which is why I love the SanDisk memory card. I do love the fact that this camera uses two AA batteries because I don't have to sit around and allow it to charge. We already have enough things to charge, honey, from the phones to the earphones to the it'd be too much. So the fact that I can just replace these AA batteries whenever they die is perfect for me. I just have to remember to carry the AA batteries. This camera does have a built-in flash feature. So the flash is right here on the front of the camera. It doesn't have to pop up. It doesn't have to pop on the side. So this camera does allow you to shoot photos as well as videos. The video resolution on this camera is 4K. So you're going to get some great quality on videos that you record on this camera. And I did also want to call out that this camera does have a screen on the back. It has zoom functionality. So you can zoom in, you can zoom out. It has the option for you to view your photos using this play button. It has the standard functions on the up, down, left, and right key, and then center is to basically set everything in. And it also has a button to set the mode of the camera as well. So we're gonna go ahead and power her on by pressing this first button here, and the lens will go ahead and pop out. I love how large the screen on this camera is. It allows you to literally see everything. The photo quality on this camera is so fire. Like, looking at it on the screen and then looking at it when you upload it to your phone, your iPad, or your computer are two different experiences. So I'll go ahead and pop on the screen some photos that I have taken recently using this camera. I haven't really played around with the settings of this camera yet. The mode that I've been using on this camera is the Program AE, but it does have a ton of different modes. So you can either set it to auto mode. I usually don't like to shoot in auto because depending on how the lighting fluctuates, it impacts the consistency of your photos or your video. So I stay away from auto most of the time. It has a face beautifier feature. I'm actually interested to see what this one does. So let's see, because your girl is already beautiful. Oh, hold on. Hold on, babes, because I was not expecting this. I was not expecting this. Like, wow. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the screen so you guys can really see, because once again, looking in the camera and then seeing it on your phone or your computer, two whole different experiences, trust me. Okay, face beautifier. And then there's also a panorama mode. So if you want to shoot a wider area, you could go ahead and use that. I'm just gonna take a picture so you guys can see. Improper alignment. Try again. What I gotta do? Oh, so you have to press it and then move it along. There is a scene mode. There's a movie mode, so you can shoot videos. So I'm actually gonna shoot a video so you guys can see. So there is another button at the top of the camera, so you can quickly jump to video if need be. So let's go ahead and record a video. Hey guys, it is your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So I'm actually shooting this clip on my new Kodak PixPro FZ45. I wanted to test out the visual as well as the audio aspect of video recording on this camera. So let this serve as an example for you. And then to stop, you just go ahead and press that same movie button. What other modes are there? There's a manual mode. Love me a good manual mode. There's a program mode. Okay, so I actually want to experiment more with this face beautifier because girl, what? Girl, what? With any of the modes, to turn the flash on, you're gonna go ahead and press the right button, and then you're gonna make sure your flash is set to force flash. So that will essentially allow the flash to go off each and every time that you take a picture. I know sometimes if it's too light, the camera's like, you don't need the flash, but baby, I'm telling you guys, when it comes to photos on a digital camera, flash is going to make a huge difference. I also love how compact this camera is, so I can easily put it in any of my purses and run out the house without having to worry about my camera taking up too much space in my bag. My Canon G7X is cool, but it is a little heavier, and it also is larger than this camera. Like, it can literally fit in my hand, like in my hand. So if you guys are looking for the perfect camera for 2026 and beyond, if you're like, I want to take my photos up a notch, I want to get more into like photography, but I don't want to pay the heavy price tag of say like a Canon G7X, which is running almost $1,000 right now, you can go ahead and purchase this Kodak PixPro FZ45 camera. I 10 out of 10 recommend. As I mentioned earlier, it retails for $119, and I feel like it is great quality for the price of the camera. You're getting a camera that shoots video in 4K, takes amazing photos, and it's just gonna have you looking good. Like, y'all seen the examples of the photos that I have posted. Like, excuse me, I'm obsessed with this camera. I have not been able to put it down since I got it. So I hope that this video was helpful to you guys if you guys are on the hunt for the perfect digital camera, for a new camera in 2026 to upgrade your photo quality. I'm telling you guys that this Kodak PixPro FZ45, if y'all see me posting pictures, 9 times out of 10 is gonna be taken on this. And then I'll still take pictures on my Canon G7X, but this is just gonna make my photo taking experience so much easier throughout the year. I am so excited to venture off and experiment more with this camera, try different settings, play around with different things. So this is more so just like an unboxing, first impressions. I'll give you guys more details on this camera throughout my weekly vlogs, and also I'll do an updated sit down video once I play more with the settings, once I go on a vacation and test it out for some like sunset beach photos. I seen it on TikTok. I was like, oh yeah, this is the first thing I'm packing for my next tropical vacation, okay? So I hope you guys found this video helpful. As mentioned earlier, I will have links to all of the items mentioned in today's video. So I will link the memory card, the camera. I'll even link some AA batteries for you guys. I will have everything linked down below for your ease of reference and shopping. Comment and let me know, are you guys on the hunt for a new camera? Do you guys plan on picking this up? Did I just inspire you guys to add it to your wish list? Comment down below and let your girl know. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.